Here is exactly how I got 100 out of 100 in advanced math at the age of 16 as an accelerated student. I'm going to teach you exactly what I did in this one video. Listen up. 3 rules. First of all, I stopped writing notes. People are wasting hours writing notes, writing the notes in class, trying to understand, having pretty notes for math. I don't like it. It never works for me. It doesn't do anything. It just wastes your time, right? Math is all about repetition and just practice. So do questions. That's the first thing. No more writing notes. And if you need to write notes, use flashcards, use Anki theory cards, and also with that as well, to remember your formulas, you should have a formula. I got my math extension textbook here, which we'll talk about in a second, but you have a formula sheet that you get in exams. Print the formula sheet out and use it while you're studying. You'll remember formulas while you're using your formula sheet and just by doing questions rather than thinking and writing pretty notes on what Pythagorean is a squared plus b squared. Like, you don't need to do that. Second thing is these things. I actually barely use these textbooks. I literally just did not use them. They're fine for fundamentals. They're fine for doing the fundamental questions, but performance comes from past papers, not just doing textbook questions. Think about it. If you were running a marathon, if you were training for a marathon, would you train sprinting or jogging? You would train jogging. It's kind of like textbooks and past papers. Textbooks still is running. You'll still do your cardio. You're still doing running, but it's not the same test. You can practice sprinting for a marathon, but you're not going to be tested the same thing, if that makes sense. I don't know if it's the best analogy, but you know what I mean, right? Why would you not actually practice with the test? The harder you practice and the more close you practice to the actual game day, like when you're training for whatever sort of sport, the better you do. So you need to be doing exam style questions, past papers in Australia or New South Wales especially. You can use THSE. For math, you can use that as well. But basically any past paper website, any website you can find that has past papers from your exact school or your exact curriculum, like that is perfect. If you do these 2 things, the first 2 things, you will actually get the results. Like, here are the results of my students inside Elite Achievers. People going from literally 37.5%, Zach, to 97.5% is crazy in 2 weeks. All of these math transformations just from changing from writing notes and doing textbook questions to not writing notes, using Anki and doing past papers. Then is silly mistakes. You want to make sure you're using Anki question cards and Anki question decks with your silly mistakes. Every single silly mistake you make, every single mistake you make, don't move on. Don't go to the answers and say, oh, I get that now. You don't. You need to actually get it in here. So use Anki question cards to make sure you're getting all of your silly mistakes into your head and make it very easy. As well as this, if you're not getting taught properly, you don't even understand maths, you're kind of cooked. That's why I started Elite Achievers. Inside, there's me. I got 100 out of 100. There's 2 other 100 out of 100 scorers, 99.95 ATAR, first in the state for HSC Advanced Math, teaching you advanced math, teaching you extension math, teaching you standard math, exactly what you need to know. So instead of waiting for your teacher, who kind of sucks sometimes, you actually learn from 99.95, 100 out of 100, first in the state scorers. They teach you what you need to know, how examiners think, the exact theory and content and formulas that you need to know for your exams. Best thing is you can hop on daily and weekly calls with these people, the mentors and myself. Literally can ask unlimited questions every single day on the community. And instead of guessing how to study math, you just learn from people that have done it properly and actually smashed it. The best thing about it is the reason I made it to be a far cheaper alternative to tutoring. Rather than paying $80, $100 an hour for math tutoring, join the community, learn from 5 plus 99.95 ATAR, 100 out of 100 scorers, ask daily questions, get unlimited and like hundreds of hours of content in the community. If you want to learn math from these 99.95 first in the state, 100 out of 100 scorers, DM me the word elite. We can get you inside, absolutely killing it, unlimited feedback and learning math from people that have absolutely killed it.